Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by powering the D-Link and getting direct access. Plug in the adapter and wait until the power and internet LEDs stabilize. This confirms hardware readiness. Next, connect your computer with an Ethernet cable for reliability or join the router's Wi-Fi if needed. Once done, open a browser and type the router IP address, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, then press Enter to reach the login screen so you can begin configuration. You'll log in using the admin username and default password printed on the device. Change that default immediately to secure the router. Then run the Quick Setup wizard. Choose your WAN type, enter ISP username/password if required, and confirm DHCP is enabled for local devices. Next, configure your wireless network by naming the SSID and selecting WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Set a strong Wi-Fi password so devices can connect securely. You should save and apply all changes, then allow the router to reboot if prompted so settings take effect. This finalizes the configuration. Make sure to update firmware now and enable automatic update checks to keep security current. If you lose connectivity, verify Ethernet and coax/phone cables, restart your modem and router, and check with your ISP about outages. If problems persist, restore factory defaults and repeat setup. But first, back up your working configuration to avoid redoing complex settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.